Hello everyone, this is Peter Tusick, brand ambassador of blindness products for HumanWare, and I'm coming at you with another snapshot tutorial video. This one has been some time coming, and that is to demonstrate part one, if you will, of our new KeyCalc. So this is with our newest version of Keysoft on the BrailleNote Touch Plus. We are happy to have a full scientific calculator that will work in Nemeth code or UEB math amongst some other codes. I want to quickly demonstrate how to set your Braille code and then also how to do some basic calculations. And we will have a second video that will demonstrate how to work with fractions and then also how to look at our symbol selector so that we're able to add symbols we may not be familiar with. I am on the main menu. Again, you will install this update through Key Updater. So if you're noticing that you don't have the update on your BrailleNote Touch Plus, if you launch and you're not hearing what I'm hearing, you certainly want to update. Now, what I'm going to do is press the letter C to go over to my calculator.
Calculator, KeyCalc.
And I'm going to press enter and we will hear something different.
Edit box, KeyCalc.
All right. So I'm in KeyCalc. Now, what I want to do is I want to set my Braille code. You may be in UEB, you may be in Nemeth. I'm going to show you how to change your Braille code. So we do have a brand new context menu that will contain lots of different options, but I'm going to come into the context menu by pressing space with the letter M as in menu, and we will open the context menu.
Context menu. Clear. Space with dots 3, 5, 6.
All right, and we hear the first option is clear. Now I want to come to settings, so I'm going to press the letter S twice.
Show results settings.
Okay, so I come to settings and press enter.
Preferred Braille code. Preferred Braille code, UB.
And the preferred Braille code currently is set to UB, right? But we know that that is UEB. Unified English Braille. Now this would be if I wanted to use UEB math. We fully support that. I am a Nemeth code user. Not that I don't know my UEB math. I get better and more confident as the years go by. Certainly when I'm in Canada, for all of our friends up in Canada, I've been put on the spot with my UEB math knowledge. So I'm learning more and more each day. But right now I want to use Nemeth code. So again, and if you are set to Nemeth code and you want to use UEB, this is where you would come to change it. So it says current Braille code. It says preferred Braille code. Currently it's set to UEB. I'm going to press enter.
Preferred Braille code. Nemeth.
And now it pulls up a list of available Braille codes. We have Nemeth first. If I press my next thumb key.
UB.
UB, right? We know that's UEB if we're reading our Braille display, which we should always be doing. Press my next thumb key.
Français mathématique.
So we have Français mathématique if you want to use French math.
Latex and computer
Again,
Braille.
we have LaTeX with computer Braille.
Computer Braille.
Braille straight if you wanted to do that.
Bottom.
And then we're at the bottom. So I want to use my calculator in Nemeth code. So I'm going to select the Nemeth code option and I'm going to press enter.
Nemeth.
So I press enter.
Preferred Braille code. Preferred Braille code, Nemeth.
And it says preferred Braille code is now set to Nemeth. So I'm going to press space with E.
Edit box, KeyCalc, Nemeth.
And we hear now that it says Nemeth when I'm in my KeyCalc edit box. Now at this point, I can use straight up Nemeth code to type an equation and get an answer. So I'm going to type something like 6 plus 6, again, in full straight Nemeth, press enter.
6 plus 6 equals 12.
All right, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Let's say I want to do something like, again, I'm going to clear, because you do have your result present. So to clear your calculator, you're going to press space with dots 3, 5, 6.
Cleared.
And I'm going to, let's do another one. Let's do something like 17 times 4. So I'm doing that in Nemeth code.
17 multiplied by 4 equals 68.
And my answer is displayed in true Nemeth code as well. So again, this is where you will change this to set your Nemeth. You can do scientific functions here. Those are all going to be found in the symbol selector. If you're not sure what's available, I will cover that in a video that you will be able to watch next if you're interested that will show you how to work with fractions and also how to see what is available in the symbol selector. So again, we are very pleased to have full scientific Nemeth code and UEB math support, and we hope that you find this very useful in your daily lives. Thanks, everybody.